Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be baling some cornstalk bales. My dad's over right now with the rake, raking them into windrows, and I just got to the tractor. I was duck hunting this morning, so got to the tractor, and yeah, I'm gonna head over there real quick. See you guys there. All right, got to the field. Started one bale. Just gonna go back here, see how it looks. It's going pretty good. I have to go in A3 because B2 is just a little too fast. What we're looking for here is just if it's nice and tight, which is, this is about perfect. You want to be able to fit your hand in there, but you don't want it like too tight that you can't fit it in there, or too loose. So it's just about perfect right now. So we'll leave the baler set like that, and yeah, we got started just down there by that hay rack. My dad went to go get the he got out of the hay rake and he went to my grandpa's, the blue silos over there, to get a square baler, and then he is gonna bring that here, hook up to that wagon, and my brother and him are gonna start the square baling, and I'll be in here baling. So yeah, so Dad just got back with the square baler. He's gonna start her up. It's gonna go a little bit, get the bales tightened enough, figure out how tight he needs to get them, and then I think we might switch to fill that rack real quick, and then yeah, I'll be able to keep going on here. Got some right there. Now I can pull this lever back, kick the bale out, pull ahead so the door doesn't hit the bale when I close. Throw it back in here, speed her up. Yep. So just got right to the end and got a full rack. It's about like 80 something on here. We didn't stack it too high, only went 4 high. Usually we go 5 or 6, but we don't need many small bales this year. Alright, just got that rack full. Hopped back in the round baler. He's doing a pretty good job with these bales here. In the beginning I had a few issues with the net wrap, but I mean, just started cornstalk, so I got to get some things adjusted and in the right positions and whatnot. But yeah, I think my dad went to go get another rack. He should be back. But I'm gonna keep going on these round bales. I have 80 windrows to do, so hopefully we can knock this out. Maybe not, I don't know. I might go deer hunting later tonight. It just depends on how much I get done right now or today, and then decide on tomorrow if I'm probably gonna go tomorrow. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'll keep going here. See you in a bit. Here to give you guys a quick update. Everything's going good. My dad's over there baling away. So looks like they got something wrong, maybe a dam. But yeah, these cornstalks are good, nice and fluffy. You can see where it got clogged up in the rake. There's a big pile, but this baler should be able to go right through them. But yeah, everything's going good. What's up? Next day, went deer hunting last night. Saw a few does and a small buck. I took a video of him, so I'll play that right now. And I don't know, just cool, little cool buck just walked out in front of me. So here. Not a big buck, but just something. There's two other smaller bucks that they were spikes, but they walked out a little bit later. And yeah, just not what I'm going after. But I'm pulling up to the field now. I went to my grandpa's, got the baler. My dad got the grease gun. He's over there waiting for me. And yeah, we'll keep baling away. What's up, everyone? Just checking back in. Got quite a few bales done. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe like around 50 or so. The neighbor wants 25, so we're gonna make 25 for him. and the rest of this farm will go to us. We're gonna take some to the cattle farm, which is at my grandpa's, and then we're gonna take a couple trailer loads to our house for the mom cows. My brother's over there in the rake. Over there. And my dad's in the baler, right there. Looks like he stopped for some reason. Nope. There he goes. He's just stopped to open one up and kick it out. But yeah, everything's going smooth. Yeah. I don't know, nothing really to talk about. Just same old, same old. Alright, just finishing up here on the last pass. Done 40 acres. Well, this was the 40-acre field. Did 40 acres. I don't know how many bales we got off of it yet, but my dad's starting to put them in rows. We still got those to do yet. But yeah, just a long day. Tired of doing this, but it has to get done. One of those jobs. But I'm be glad it's done. I'm be glad that it's over with and happy that I got it done. But yeah. Alright, just got back. Be done for the day. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. But yeah, I have a meeting to go to. 20 minutes. Well, it starts in 20 minutes. Gotta leave here like right now, but I'm gonna go inside, grab some food. I haven't ate since breakfast, which all I ate was a donut. Now it's like 3:30, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want. Stay tuned for the next videos. Don't really know what to say. Just thank you for watching.